Hey drone and technology fans, Bill here. Adventure unfolding? DJI Mavic Air? Let's find out, coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Got some breaking news for you. Last night when I was doing a search on the internet, I saw an ad for a supposed DJI event called Adventure Unfolds on January 23rd at 10 a.m. in New York City. And when I dug further on Google, I did a search. There were two articles regarding DJI Mavic Air. And from what I could tell about this on these articles, it talked like the Mavic Air would be priced less than the Mavic. It would kind of be a fit between the Mavic and the Spark, about roughly $699 or so. This is just speculation from what I've seen. Would use OcuSync, would be faster, probably have a greater runtime as well. You can tell though, from what I've seen, I did talk to Bill from Coast to Coast Drones. He had messaged me and commented me on one of my other videos, and he gave me the link to his group, and he did talk about it. Now, he first heard about it from Billy Kyle. So I'll put links to the two articles that I have up here, and I'll also include links to Bill's group, Coast to Coast Drones. You need to check them out. They're a good group. They're good guys here, and they do talk about drones. I did look on DJI's site, on their news and newsroom site and feeds, and I haven't really seen anything in their forums about this. So, you know, let's kind of wait and see what's going to go on here. But, you know, right now it's up in the air. I really don't know if this is something that's legit. The one gentleman who did post something, I did see, he put a video out on it tonight that talked about, he did receive an email from DJI. So, you know, right now, until we get some kind of confirmation on this, you know, I'm going to be, you know, cautiously optimistic that there'll be an event. Now, one of the things, couple of the things, the graphic did not look like a normal DJI graphic from what I saw, and the start time for the event is 10 a.m. DJI events have started at 11:30 a.m. So until, you know, we see something from DJI, I'm going to kind of cross my fingers here. Be real nice to have something here right after CES, and also tell with their big announcement about the Evo. So stay tuned to Bill the Drone Reviewer for more updates on this. I wanted to get this out to you here quickly on Sunday night so you get a chance to take a look at it and judge for yourself. Again, I will post links to these two articles that I did find on the internet. So they'll be in the description. So do check those out. And if you did like this video, hit the like button, tell others about our channel, and also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post on a daily basis, and also our blog where I do post mini reviews and updates, and also every time I do one of these videos. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you all for the subscribers who have recently signed on. I promise we're going to have great content for 2018. Happy flying.